In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a DKIM record with Hostinger for your domain. This process is crucial for enhancing your email security and ensuring your email reaches its intended recipients without being marked as spam. We'll walk through everything you need to do, step by step, so you can feel confident every step of the way. Let's start by generating the DKIM record in Hostinger. If you're aiming for an automated connection, head over to the email section in your H panel. Find your domain and click on Connect Domain. You'll want to choose Connect Automatically. This option allows Hostinger to add all the necessary records, DKIM included, without any extra effort on your part. It's a time-saving feature that's incredibly useful if you're not as familiar with the technical details. Alternatively, if you prefer a custom DKIM record, you can go to Emails, then find Email Reputation or Custom DKIM and click on Generate to create a new key. This gives you a bit more control over your settings. For those of you utilizing cPanel, the navigation is slightly different. Go to the Email section and click Email Deliverability. Find your domain, click on Manage, and under Suggested DKIM Record, select Install. This sets a default record, making the process straightforward and adhering to best practices. Next, we need to add the TXT record to your DNS settings. You'll need to navigate to your domain's DNS zone or DNS or name server settings. It's a good idea to open this in a separate tab, so you can easily switch back and forth if needed. From here, you'll want to add a new record. Specifically, you'll need to select TXT as the record type. Now copy the DNS host name or hostname from Hostinger and paste it into the hostname or name field of your DNS settings. Then take the TXT record value you generated earlier and place it into the TXT value or value field. Once you've double-checked everything for accuracy, go ahead and save the new TXT record. This step solidifies your setup and ensures your DKIM record is properly stored. Finally, it's time to verify the DKIM record. Head back to your Hostinger panel. You'll want to click the button that confirms you've successfully added the record. This might be labeled something like I've created this TXT record or Verified DNS. Then select Verified DKIM record. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to fully propagate. It might take up to 48 hours for the verification to complete, so a bit of patience is necessary here. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your DKIM record with Hostinger. By following these instructions, you've taken crucial steps to secure your emails and enhance deliverability. Be sure to check back periodically and ensure everything is working as expected. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.